so today I'm going to do what I got for Christmas 2020. It has been a crazy year and a crazy month. I've been gone for a while. Honestly, it's just been so insane. I don't even know where to start, but I want to, and I always say this, but I really mean it. I want to start uploading videos. This month I really wanted to, but I couldn't. It was just, you know, a horrible time. Not the best time. It was just a hard month, and it's been a very hard year. I want to start making videos on YouTube, so I'm going to do my yearly Christmas haul. Now, as I always say in the beginning of these videos, I'm not trying to brag in any way. I just like looking back on these videos. I really do. They just make me so happy looking back. I feel like a lot of people enjoy watching these, so I'm going to continue to film these videos because I really like watching and looking back at them. The first thing, because it's right here, and this is not in any specific order, it's just random things that I'm pulling out, is this. And you guys are probably wondering, like, what is this? My mom actually gave me this, and I asked for it for Christmas. It is a carpet for your desk area so your floors don't get scratched by your chair. Or if you have carpet, this is also useful for rolling chairs and stuff. But I needed one because my chair was actually scratching my floors, because now I have hardwood floors. If you didn't know, I had carpet for my whole life, and so it was scratching them, and I needed this. So I'm so happy my mom gave me one of these, and I can't wait to put it. After this video, I'm going to set up everything that I have. The next thing, my older sister gave me this notebook, and this is a Hello Kitty notebook. And honestly, I love notebooks. I like writing in them. What is cool about this notebook is that it says my name. That is so cool. And this is how it looks on the inside. It's rose gold, which I love. Can't wait to use this. Like, I feel like it's just so pretty, I can't use it. I might just display it because it's so pretty. Then she gifted me this. So these have like sticky notes and stuff, which is so useful, especially now that I have to be a lot more organized. And then she also gifted me a colorful dual tip markers. These are so pretty because they're pastel colors, and they are double-sided. So one side is fine, and then the other side is medium, and it's just like a thicker pen or marker. And I'm so excited to use this because they're just really pretty colors. And yeah, so she gifted me these stuff, and I can't wait to use them. Ah! I'm excited. Let me go with what my mom gave me. That was so heavy. She gave me this monitor. This is a 20-inch monitor, and I'm so excited because, you know, with COVID and everything is online. So my school is online and my work is online as well. So I remember when I was like working and stuff, I was like, man, this would be so much easier if I had like another monitor, and now I do. So now I have a dual monitor, and I feel like I'm straining my back just holding this. Oh my god, that's so heavy. And with that, oh, this is gonna be hard to pick up. My mom also gave me this monitor stand, because now I can use two, and then I will just use like less space with these monitor stands. And I'm very excited to set all of this up. Let me just tell you, this thing is so heavy. And then now with what my sister gave me, she gave me this keyboard with a touchpad. I keep saying trackpad. I think it is called trackpad. No, I don't know. So she gave me this keyboard. Now I did have one for my iPad, but it broke. One of the like letters came off, and then I couldn't even attach it, and I tried to put glue and it didn't work. But what is cool about this keyboard is that it also has this like touchpad here. My other one didn't have this part, and as like I would use it for school and everything, I was just like, man, I really need like a mouse or something, and I didn't know that they made something like this. So I'm so excited to connect this to my iPad, and I can't wait to use this. And it also clicks. And then my sister also gave me this light. I feel like this is multi-purpose. I could use it for like filming like this. Luckily I do have the sun still out, so I don't really need it right now. But for my work and for school, when I have my camera on, because my desk is not facing the windows, it's actually facing opposite of the windows, I am pretty like dark. So I'm so excited to use this. I did turn it on, and it does have like a few settings, which I think is cool. This came with these stuff here to put it onto a tripod if you want to use it in a tripod form. Or you can also use this suction cup. And finally, which is so crazy, I wasn't expecting this. I did have this in my wish list, but I was not expecting this. But my sister bought me these headphones. I'm so excited. These are the Apple ones, the Apple AirPods. And they're Bluetooth, and I can't wait to... I haven't even connected it to my phone. I've just had it in this box because I wanted to like show it. But yeah, I can't wait to like use them. I put them on. Whoa, I hear myself. Oh my god, wait, hold up. I hear myself. Am I cool yet? Oh my god, wait, when I talk, I hear it. That is so weird. Testing. Oh, when I take one off, I hear it. But that was everything I got for Christmas 2020. It's been a crazy year, and I do plan on making more videos this upcoming year. I am so excited to be back on YouTube, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I also want to say hi to the new subscribers who are here as well. I don't know how. I was just gaining subscribers. I was like, what? I'm not even uploading. But thank you so much for everyone who is new here and who has subscribed to my channel. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, then please give it a like. If you want to subscribe and you haven't, you can also subscribe to this channel. If you have any video requests on what you like to see in my channel, please let me know. I do plan on making more college related videos. I am graduating this summer, guys. What? Where has the time gone? That is so crazy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.